US President Donald Trump has made an announcement yet again. This time he says that he would cut the income tax completely in the United States since the tariff revenues are in. Yes, he said that Americans will soon not pay any income tax. Looks like Trump is extremely optimistic about the tariff revenue. First, he said that he would give out $2,000 to every low to middle income American and pay off the staggering $38 trillion debt using this tariff revenue, and now he wants to cut income tax completely. But there is one small issue with all of these big aspirations. One hurdle: money. You see, the federal tariff revenue in 2024 totaled $195 billion. It came from customs. In FY25, ending September, the total duty revenue reached $215.2 billion as per customs and certain excise tax report by the government. Now, the $2,000 dividend that Trump wants to give to Americans will cost the US government around $600 billion as per some reports. So even if we take double of this revenue, it is more than the total dividend expense. But Trump, as always, is a little bad with math. He keeps saying that tariffs are bringing in trillions of dollars into the federal coffers without providing any proof or an actual number. Over and about this, paying off the $38 trillion debt looks impossible with this tariff revenue. He says that he will cut income tax completely for people earning up to $200,000 a year. Eliminating federal income tax would mean that the government loses roughly $1.7 to $2 trillion in annual revenue. The question is, how will this tariff revenue in billions pay off the tax losses, which is in trillions? And well, to cut these income taxes, Americans should have a source of income as well. The latest jobs report comes with a hit. People are calling America's GDP growth a jobless boom. The unemployment rate nudged up to 4.4%, the highest in about 4 years. And consumer spending is also going down because of the tariffs. One good thing about no income tax will be that the spending will increase, but that is also only an assumption, given unemployment is still way too high and inflation is above Fed's comfort zone. Americans are actually paying for these tariffs as companies now are raising cost of imported goods. Over and about that, Trump's tariffs are being challenged in court. If the court rules against the tariffs, the administration will be forced to dismantle trade frameworks built on the IEEPA-based tariff framework. Deals with Japan, EU, etc. will be off. US importers who paid the tariffs would likely seek reimbursement, and that issue was also raised in the court, and the judges said that it could be a mess. So looks like Trump has to do some explaining here on the math of all those statements that he's making.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.